him and fire. Oh my god, this shit's robbery. Sexy. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, follow me, quickly. Nice god. Oh, fuck. Oh shit! Ow!
Holy shit.
Ow! Follow me.
No, we be too heavy. You see, black powder be a fat man.
No, I have giant floating
I believe you should be looking in yourself, Mad Blaster. Look at
What do you mean?
You'd be the size of a fucking 50 gunner with about another 50 guns on.
Grab on, I have giant floating testicles.
I think it's... Alright, you know what, fuck it, I be going this way.
Okay. You can run across it just fine, but...
Now they're all shriveled up now, bro.
On my left, you see the people to the far right shoot the hole before the actual mission, right? See that? Fuck you, man. Fuck you. Fuck you, bitch.
Oh my god, let's whenever we get into melee, it's all act bad and be like, we're side blocking. We're just like this, charging at them like this. I'm new at this game, I bought it yesterday.
I'm new to this, bro. Don't dig in me, bro. Dig in me, bro.
That should actually try.